Are you looking for good makeup brands which you can trust their face powder to give you the best finishing touches? You'll be glad to know that there are so many of them you would love. In this video, I'll be showing you my best 4 makeup brand picks in Nigeria, which has very high quality face powders you can trust and that can deliver the best and a complete makeup look. They are in no particular order and have fair prices that are worth each product, including a good name to ensure you're not going to regret your choice. The first one is Zickel Makeup. Zickel is a luxurious quality makeup brand for all skin tones with an international standard. The brand has been gradually carving a good niche in the makeup industry with their high standard and very affordable products. Their face powder gives the perfect finish and it doesn't feel like dust when applied. It provides a good coverage, and with a good makeup base, it can hold your makeup for hours while also maintaining that fresh look. It delivers the perfect look when paired with other products from the brand, like the foundation, concealer and others, but it can still do a good job when used with different brand products. The common face powder is the matte powder, which is splendid for someone with oily skin. It can minimize the shine on your face and still leave your face feeling oil-free for long. Whichever one you're picking, I recommend you choose the Studio Fix product as it provides a more complete and longer face coverage. Just be careful when selecting the shade that would match your skin, because anything lighter or darker than your face would not even be manageable. Next is Zaron Makeup brand. Zaron Makeup is that brand which many makeup artists are in love with. Anyone who has used this particular product would almost find it difficult to use and love another brand. Their face powder is a complete makeup and more. When you are in a hurry, you can apply only the face powder before going out and you would still enjoy the look it would give you. Besides, it can stay for long hours on your face without clearing off. It offers a very good and full face coverage, which makes people love them even more. The powder does a good job of covering facial blemishes with ease, blending out the skin tone and giving a very sweet finishing after a full face makeup. I particularly love that it has shades that can match even an albino. However, someone who has a very dark skin may not find their match. The third one is Milani Makeup. This Milani brand may not be a Nigerian brand, but many Nigerians love it for many reasons. Their face powder is all shades of awesome. It works well as a standalone makeup item. Just apply it, swipe some color on your lips and you're good to go for the day. It provides a very good finishing when used to complete a full makeup look. It can help with minimizing shine on the face, but not so much. The only thing I don't like about them is that their brand has become very open to no good failures, and you can now find different versions of Milani and so many fake ones. But if you get the original one, you will definitely love your look. And last but not the least, we have Classic Makeup USA. This brand has been around for ages and are loved by many as it is not just amazing but also very affordable. One very sweet thing I like about their face powder is that they have cool varieties to choose from. You can choose between their loose powder, which is an excellent choice if you like your face powder to be applied lightly after the other makeup, or if you won't be using a setting powder afterwards, or even if you have more sensitive or oily skin. All skin types can actually use it though. There is also the compact powder to choose from. This one is a better choice for a fuller coverage as it can be reapplied in layers till you get the coverage you need. It has the one for oily skin, which I must tell you works amazing to reduce the shine on your face after use. Please note that using this one when you don't have an oily skin will only make it dry on your face. Instead, use the plain one that is perfect for all skin types and can still give the same result. Most importantly, they also have so many different shades to choose from. No matter your skin tone, you must find something for your face. Hold up, I'm not done. There is a bonus product and it is no other than the amazing Adventure Makeup. I bet you didn't see this one coming. Adventure is an amazing brand that has been winning the hearts of many since their inception. Their face powder is simply wonderful, no doubt, and people love it, especially because it has SPF. I mean, who would not prefer to have a small sunscreen product in their bag for reapplying? You get both the benefits of a sun protection and regular touch-ups on your makeup. The powder is a good one, I must say. It gives a very good skin coverage and works well to hold your makeup for so long. So, have you or someone you know tried any of these brands? If yes, what was your experience with your face powder? Is there one that looks new to you? If yes, do you think it is worth trying it out? Do you have any other makeup brand with a good face powder which you have tried? Let's hear your comments, suggestions and thoughts in the box below. Don't forget that like, share and subscribe button. Hitting them goes a long way for the channel.